Well, it's almost the end of November and it's starting to get a lot colder in the workshop, but things are starting to progress now. It won't be long before the shell's collected for the welding, so I've been told to strip the doors down for when they're taken with a shell. I've not much room in this workshop and I've never stripped one of these doors down before, so it's manual at the ready and gloves on, but it looks easy enough to do though. The door card has previously been removed as it was mouldy and rotting, but first job was to remove the parts that would usually come off before the door card, which is the window winder handle, the lever that opens the door and the handle that's used to close the door. The external door handle screws can't be removed just yet, partly because the glass is in the way, so I had to wind up the window. But also because the locking mechanism covers the other screw and has to be removed first. But to remove that, you have to remove the mechanism that holds the door lever on, and the mechanism that has the door lock lever attached. But again, that's quite simple to do and it's just a few screws to take off. Now there's two circlets to remove before the locking mechanism will detach. I now had access to the two screws holding the door handle on, and it took just a few seconds to remove these, along with the door handle. And all the parts were put into a box so that I don't lose them. I also removed the clips that the screws fixed to. I have no idea if these are to be used again, but I was advised never to throw anything away just in case. There's 4 clips in total, but one I'll have to remove later when I've got better access. Next job was carefully prizing off the window trims, although I'm hoping new ones are readily available, as these are a little bit worn. The trickiest part of the whole door stripping was removing the window winding mechanism. I got a bit confused with the instructions, but I was able to suss things out for myself. The mechanism was just held in place with 4 screws and some kind of sealant. It mentioned wedging the window to prevent it falling down, but I ended up using some masking tape to hold the glass as I couldn't find a wedge. I had to give it a shift to the left just to sort of unhook it. I ended up winding the window up a little bit, which gave me access to the guides, and once I pulled one side out, the others just slid right out. The glass lifted out with some gentle persuasion, and that was it. I had better access now to the clip that I missed before, so I removed that and also the clips that held the window trims on. So the doors are done and the shell is now ready for collection, so it's back on with cleaning up all the parts that I need to send off for the engine rebuild. Hopefully it's going to be a busy few months.